Pretty darn exciting news here in the old Save Club universe, and I want to show you why, okay? So let me shrink my screen up here. Okay, if you'd like to officially join, let me get the little links out of the way. Joinsaveclub.org. Okay, click that link if you'd like, or just write it down, screenshot it, and we'll talk about how you can join if you'd like to join and what the heck you're joining if you want to do it. Okay, so if you have already joined a Save Club, I want you to just look at some of the results I've had. 1, 2, 3. I've had 3 people. I should have someone come aboard in a couple hours during their lunch. So I've been able to sign up 4 people just in the last handful of days. And a total, God, I forgot what I'm at. I think I'm at 103. There I am. Yeah, I'm number 7 in the company right now worldwide. Got 103 peeps. They have came aboard and said, what the hell's going on? Okay. Now, if you're one of those 103, or if you're in another Save Club group, that's okay. And if you have not joined yet, well, let's talk about it and why I think you should. Okay. After you join, check this out. You go into the training section and you can watch this little video. It's just a minute long. You only watch it once. It just kind of welcomes you. Now, remember, saveclub.com. Go down to training tab. This is the page. I want you to click the marketing materials because you're going to have thousands of pictures and hundreds of videos that are ready for you to upload anywhere you'd like. You can send a link to it in an email or an inbox, or give it to your grandma, or maybe post it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, Twitter, whatever the heck it's called this week. Okay? Now, let's go back right down to here where it says constipation, or is that compensation? I like how we misspell it on the orange button, but spell it right here. Okay? Maybe I'll email the company. We should probably change that A to an E, but it's all good. Okay, now, when it comes down to the compensation plan, it's a pain in the ass. If you try to explain it to someone, they're going to get a headache, because I give myself a headache if I try to explain it. It's much easier if you just press this button and watch this video. Now, if someone wants you to explain the compensation plan, please just send them a link to this YouTube video. Hit the little button there. See right below where it says share. There's the highlighted little linky. Go ahead and right click, hit copy, and then you can go ahead and copy and paste that if someone inboxes you, emails you, or maybe you just want to go ahead and send it to somebody through Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. I always get asked, what's the comp plan below one of my videos? And I just go ahead and copy that link right there. That way, let this video do it. It's produced by the company and it's well done. Pretty darn easy. Okay, keep going down. My deals. A lot of people will ask, how, when I pay my $19.97, do I find deals on Discount Tire, maybe Sirius XM, oil changes, auto repair, maybe you need a tooth or your eyeball fell out? There's going to be tens of thousands of deals eventually in Save Club. We already got about, I think we have 58,000 last time I counted, and worldwide, by the way. Now, remember, we're only 19 days old. We kicked this off June 1st of 2025, and today is June 19th. Give us some time. We will be in your city, your state, and your country. Yes, that means Asia to Africa, up to Alaska, right down to our buddies in Australia. Just give us time. This is a worldwide savings club. This has never been done. We're going to have by far the most deals because we're going to be international. And this is the first time ever that an affiliate opportunity has been offered to you. So you're going to make money instead of sports, let's say heroes, or maybe a badass actor, the Kardashian family, or someone who's an influencer. They make all the money, don't they? But guess what? With this affiliate opportunity, you're going to start earning money. I've already earned about $1,000 a week over the last 5 weeks, $5,000. I've saved $900, and with my new funnel system, which I can show you at the end of this video, it's put $1,200 in my pocket, and that's recurring. I'm going to get that $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000. It's going to build every month, and that has nothing to do with the Save Club savings and the income. So three ways to kick ass. Okay, so let's go back and go log in. You're going to go to the home page. After you log in, saveclub.com. This is what it looks like. That couple just freaking out. That guy looks like he just gambled on his favorite sports team. She's excited because now she can go buy that badass purse with that money that he just won. Okay, go down to the training tab. Click training. All right, and it's important. Don't try to talk about this dang compensation plan. It's a pain in the ass. And when you hit that marketing materials button, here's where we have hundreds and thousands of, it's marketing material. It is included with the $60. When you join, $60, that is it. You don't have to buy anything. This isn't some shiny ball, blah, blah, blah. This is just good old-fashioned savings on things you're already buying. But you need to know how to market. How to upload, let's say, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Do you see right here where it says training? You're going to click that little link, and guess where it goes? To all the videos that teach you how to post. Like right here, Facebook training. See where it says MP4? It's a video. How to find Facebook groups. How to post on X. Everyone still calls it Twitter. How to TikTok. Just hit those buttons. You can copy these videos on your cell phone or your home computer if you want to keep them, because they're just nothing more than YouTube videos, but they show you how to upload content that we already have for you. This is if you don't want to make pictures and banners and animated GIFs, and especially video. Video, in my opinion, is by far the most effective. Right there, look, social media posts, branded, non-branded. 6/15 just means June 15th, June 8th. My team, our group, we post new pictures and videos about every Monday. That's kind of like our thing. It's like, okay, it's Monday. Let's give everyone fresh content. All right. So if you join my team, my group, I think you're going to have an advantage because it's a team. It's a group. You're not by yourself. If you join me, we're going to bring you in with other people around the world, other teams, people that can help you. We want you to ask questions because if I'm off doing other stuff, if you belong to a team, you can log into our private invite only Facebook group pages and ask questions. If it's 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, 3 o'clock, anytime, it don't matter. Even if it's a holiday, go ahead and ask. Because if you have time and you want to learn about something, it's important that you feel comfortable enough to ask questions and then help your downline. That's the trick. We all got to help each other. This is not an MLM. This is not where you have to buy this and buy that in order to qualify for this and go ahead and sell overpriced crap. 1997, you're going to belong to the biggest save club ever. Kick it off in 2025. This is international. And like I said, for $60, you're going to be an affiliate and you're going to earn money. Okay. So let me go ahead and just show you my business cards I made at Vistaprint. They're about $22 for a big old box. I make them simple, red, round the corners. Joinsaveclub.org. That is the official way to sign up. After you go to that little page right there, just go ahead and fill in your email, your name, click the orange button, and you're going to get an email from Save Club. Go ahead and join. Now, if you've already joined and you feel like you're stuck and you want to belong to a team, SaveClubFunnels.com. This is a game changer. I've signed up probably 70 people by using this funnel. It's the only funnel right now. You can even put paid traffic to it. So if you don't want to do TikTok and Instagram and make things like this called a webinar, a little video on a webcam, don't worry about it. We have tons of pictures and videos ready for you. But if you want to, let's say you got an extra $50 to $100 and you want to buy clicks, leads, okay, you can send it right to your personal funnel link, which you're going to get. Because our funnel can weed out all the fake stuff, all the spam, they're called bots. We can weed it out. We can get real, legit people. And that's what the funnel can do for you. So Save Club Funnels. Just remember to put an S at the end of funnels. And watch that 20-minute video. Because that exact page, that video, you're going to own too. And you can alter the website if you'd like, change colors, button positions. But I recommend just leave it for now because it's working. We're signing up thousands of people a day. And there's not hardly any affiliates. Because most people join a Save Club to save money on things they're already buying. But when they find out that for $60 you can become an affiliate like I have, holy crap. I didn't know I'd be making $1,000 a week doing this. I've saved $900 on a bunch of tires, mattresses. What did I do? Sirius XM. A couple car washes here in Salt Lake where I live. This is a very cool, legit opportunity. And guess what? It's 1997. And if you don't want to belong to Save Club, then don't pay. Okay, this is very cheap, very affordable. And boy, I'll tell you what, in 3, 6, 9 months, When every city, every state is participating, the deals are going to be bigger, and we're going to be kicking some butt, taking some names, and you're going to be earning some cash. I just know you can do this. I can't guarantee income. You never can on these YouTube videos that are opportunity based. But if you copy what I do, which I hope you do, make things fun, invite people to links like joinsaveclub.org. Let's just get you in. Lock in now. We're only 19 days in. We're going to have 5 to 10 million people, just like Groupon and just like Priceline and Orbitz. Except this is even going to be bigger because we're international. And like I said, for that $60, please become an affiliate. Get a hold of me. I'll get an email from Save Club if you do join. I'm going to send you a nice email of everything I do. And then I'm going to invite you to my 2 private invite-only groups. We dominate the leaderboard. We have the best training, we have the best pictures, the best videos, and they're just waiting for you, okay? So, like I said, if you've already joined, saveclubfunnels.com. It's $25. This is not expensive, but you need to look into it. If you're stuck and you're new and you feel like quitting, do not do that. Come on. We're only 19 days old. There's no excuse. No one gets left behind. So, anyway, thank you guys for the last 11, 12 minutes. Get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm not shy. I'll help you out. I want everyone to make money in this endeavor. And this is probably the best opportunity that you're going to find in a long time. Right now, thousands of people a day are joining. That's very rare. And usually when you find opportunities, they're already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years old. Some are 10, 20. Amway, 75. All right, I recommend do not do the MLM thing. It's too hard. Most people fail. I like this opportunity. It pays just like an MLM. But it's not. You're inviting people to save money on things they're already buying. And that's probably why you're watching my video. And I hope that you really do look into the search engine and see if you're already buying things. That's in the back office. There's going to be millions of deals. We already have Fortune 50, Fortune 100, and Fortune 500 companies doing business with us. Yes, Walmart. Yes, Delta Airlines. Yes, Lyft. Yes, SiriusXM. We got some big-ass companies already saying, hell yeah. Okay, so anyway, thanks, guys. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you guys have a good day, all right? And let's do some saving. And let's do some earning, too. Take care, guys. Thanks for your time.